Automotive News is calling a new agreement a bitter pill for the United Autoworkers Union, as it's been wrapped up in challenges surrounding the GM Orion assembly plant and the ability to control costs. The plant, located in Orion Township, Michigan, is said to be dealing with some difficult decisions, specifically how to continue operating profitably in a plant that's developing new, but slow or non-moving products like the Chevy Bolt electric and the yet-to-be-released self-driving Cruise AV. In an unorthodox move, the union has entered into an agreement to allow GM to employ workers for lower than agreed upon wages and reduce benefits for some of the positions in the plant. Referred to as the Autonomous Vehicle Memorandum of Understanding, the UAW chapter says the agreement sucks, but is better than a plant shutdown and that it resulted in 0 layoffs. Still, the deal has raised concerns among union advocates who fear it could serve as a template for other car factories with slumping product lines. The GM blog GM Authority says there are similar discussions underway at GM's Lordstown assembly plant in Ohio. The Lordstown UAW rep says they are totally opposed to this type of proposal under the current scenario, where the plant has laid off workers and is streamlining down to 1 shift. Both automakers like Ford publicly dumping small cars, facilities like Lordstown, which builds the Chevy Cruise, might find themselves with little choice. Kristen Dychek, Vice President of Industry, Labor, and Economics at the Center for Automotive Research in Ann Arbor, Michigan, told Automotive News that, though it's unfortunate, to secure the work, the union seems to need to agree to these things. I'm Jeff Ranke, and this is IEN Now.